Greetings to my beautiful V family all over the world. I'm today sitting in my beautiful home, which I built for my beautiful mother, all right, with a t-shirt saying love, because Christmas just got over. We are coming into New Year, and as usual, all right, everyone is in this festive mode and into this mode of spending time with family and celebration and exchanging gifts and holding hands and singing Kumbaya. Now that's the rest of the world. We are networkers. We are warriors. All right. And I just spent 4 days in Dubai meeting some core leaders, all right, from an amazing organization, spent time with the V ambassadors in Dubai. And I was coming up with my message for 2017. And I realized one thing. I realized that over the years, all right, every year, the year begins. And we have this mentality of the year coming to an end and a new year beginning. Now, I, for some reason, don't live like that. For me, I don't know when the year is going to end or when the year is going to begin. Because I've decided that time, months, dates, years, New Year's Eve, is all created by us, not by him. That I believe that time is something which is very subjective to people. Now, I believe that my journey in life is not divided by days, months, years. My journey in life is a simple philosophy of living every second, every minute, every hour to the max, all right, with a purpose that is greater than anything else in my life. Now, each one of you today are sitting there watching this final Wednesday message for 2016, all right, with a timeline in your mind that the year is coming to an end. All right, we got the click bonanza, the blitz happening every week, and most importantly, you feel that the year is coming to an end and you're already planning how you're going to restart your journey fresh in 2017. Even though I disagree with this philosophy of crossing into a brand new year, because our journey has no timelines, all right, until you achieve your goal. The only timeline I have in the past 18 years are timelines of achieving my dreams, achieving my goals, the promises I've made to my great, unbelievable uplines, Dato Sri Vijay, Japadas Bismarck, the promises that I've made to you. These are timelines. That I sometimes live VCon to VCon, sometimes ISB to ISB, sometimes based on the number of max out kings and queens that I want to have in our organization worldwide. But I want to convey a message to you that whether you are looking at 2017 as a brand new year, whether you're looking at 2017 as just a continuation of your journey to financial freedom, I got a message to you. The last few weeks, I've been trying to understand, all right, the human race. Now, don't ask me why, but I like to analyze sometimes the human race. How people think, why two individuals in the same environment can be completely different. Why some people are willing to die for their goals and some people have dreams that they can achieve so easily, but they don't get off their ass to do anything, so they don't achieve it. Why people are constantly not satisfied with where they are and they want to be greater, better and achieve greater dreams. And why some people are completely complacent and sit at home and watch TV the whole day and sing Kumbaya. All right? There are some people who make it their purpose to change lives around them. And there are some people who make it their purpose not to change and to be stubborn and driven by their ego. And I realize one thing. I believe strongly that all men, women around the world, regardless of your race, religion or creed or nationality, are born equal. That I believe that God makes no mistakes at all, ever. And He made us all enter into this world with equality, with the same potential. and I'm telling you this over and over again, maybe some weeks, videos ago, some years ago, that I believe there is no difference between you and me when we were born. There is no difference between you, Dato Sri Vijay, Japa, Einstein, alright, okay, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, there is no freaking difference. We were all born equal, with the same potential. That I am a firm believer in human potential. I believe that one day humans are going to fly. And I don't mean this with an aeroplane or a jet plane. I firmly believe that somebody is just going to stand and fly like Superman. Alright? Because I believe that human potential is limitless. That if you, whatever you set your mind to, if you believe in it enough, that if every cell in your body says fly, you can actually fly. Alright? And I am trying. Every single day I stand and say, fly! It has not happened yet, simply because my belief system on the fact that I can fly one day is not strong enough. Now, based on the fact that human potential is the same, and if you review 2016, that 9 out of 10 people in life, generally in the world, did not achieve their goals for 2016. If you review your 52-week check planner, many of you watching this video, and I know you're guilty if you're smiling, alright, you didn't achieve your goals. If you are not part of QNet, and you happen to be in love with the sexiest man alive, Padman Senathirajah, and you're watching my Wednesday video, I'm telling this because I realize a lot of non-QNet people watch my Wednesday video. Whatever goals you have laid out, whether in relationship, whether in weight loss, whether career path in your job, alright, whether the goals you have set out for your children or your family or your love life, and you haven't achieved it, it is your fault, not the world, not the environment, not the other person. It is 100% your fault. Because I believe that from the time you were born, your potential was limitless. And along your journey of life, you allowed the world, you allowed your ego, you allowed your environment to impose limitations on your human potential. That each of you watching this video, if you are part of my organization, you know you can max out. And people have proven that you can max out in 3 months. You know that if you really wanted to, you have that human potential to achieve whatever goal you wanted to achieve for 2016. But if you did not achieve your goals, it is simply because you allowed limitations to exist in your mind, in your heart, in your journey. And I don't care where those limitations came from. Those limitations stop you from reaching your human potential. Now, I believe in human potential. And I believe that everyone has limitless potential. Remember this word, limitless, because this is my mantra for 2017. That 2017, I want each one of you to believe in one simple fact, that we are born equal. Then if there's a single human being on this planet who have achieved greatness, it simply proves that you can achieve the equal or even more than that person's who has achieved that greatness. That you can be greater than Dato Sri Vijay, and he will be the first one to tell you this. That you have the same potential as Steve Jobs or even greater potential. But in 2017, if you want to prove the theory of limitless, which I believe in, you must remove limitation. You must erase the word limitation. You cannot allow your environment or people that are even close to you, that you respect and listen to. You cannot allow me as your chief and upline to impose limitations on your journey. That 2017, whatever you dream of, whatever you want, whether it's max out, whether it's flying, whether it's achieving greatness, whether it's becoming the best upline on the planet, whether it's opening up any market, even if the world says that market cannot work, whether it's crossing lines, having the largest number of max out kings and queens in your organization, you can achieve it. Because your potential is limitless. That loyalty is limitless, love is limitless, service is limitless, that dreams are limitless. That whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve, you can, simply because you were created by Him with limitless potential. And I'm asking you, I'm begging you, that when you set your goals for 2017, push the line, erase the limitations, dream big, dream bigger, dream unbelievable. That 2017, my vision is to show the world that the We is not just an organization of people, but it's an organization of people with human potential that is limitless. That if you want to be on stage at VCon, it is possible. That if you want to max out in the first quarter of 2017, it is possible. That if you want to fly without an aeroplane, just with your hands, it's possible. If you want to open the toughest markets in the world, it's possible. If you want to earn more money than your uplines, it's possible. That if you want to earn more money than me, it's possible. Simply because human potential is limitless, and you have to believe in this philosophy. You got to live this philosophy and avoid, erase, ignore all forms of limitation that is going to come into your life aggressively in 2017 in a form of challenges, in the form of morons. If you love somebody and somebody says, no, I don't love you, and if you pursue that love, trust me, it is possible. Because human potential is limitless. And you have to believe in it. Not only here, but here. You got to believe in it until that potential of limitless is in every cell in your body. And then nothing and no one can ever stop you. And we are networkers. We are true representation of the philosophy of limitless. The Dato Sri Vijay Jayaprakash Bismarck started this company in 1998 without goals, without specific goals every year. They simply believe in the power of limitless. And after 18 years, I believe that the power of limitless is what is going to make us the strongest, biggest network marketing company in the world. Now, every week you still have to have goals, but achieving that goals must become a reality. That you can no longer live a life where you don't achieve your goals. You cannot live a life without goals. But the philosophy of limitless must exist in you. That nothing and nobody can hold you back anymore. That's what I believe in. That's what I believe is 2017. So my mantra of 2017 is limitless. Live limitless. Dream limitless. Push yourself limitless. Raise the bar higher, limitless. Loyalty, love, service, limitless. Power and energy and passion, limitless. Which country shall we go through in 2017? Limitless. How big can your checks get? Limitless. How many kings and queens, max out kings and queens? Limitless, guys. So I made a decision that 2017, every second, every hour, every day, every week, every month, I'm going to live limitless. That if I believe as chief, I've pushed myself hard in 2016, it was nothing. Because 2017 is a year where we become limitless.